Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it we have to click on here. Then we have to select inches from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to select pixels or inches from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 3.5. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 2. Now we have to select this box. Then I have to type here 300. Then I have to click on the OK. After that, we have to select the pen tool. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold the Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold the Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and here. Then I have to click on the fill color. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select the red color. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this layer. Then I have to press and hold the Alt key. Then I have to take a copy from this layer. After that I have to click on here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the wrap. After that, we have to click on the OK. Now we have to select these layers, then we have to drag and drop these layers in here. Then I have to select the shape tool, then I have to right click on it, then I have to select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then I have to draw this shape in here. After that, we have to increase the pixels from here. Then I have to select this, then I have to rotate this shape. Then I have to drag and drop the shape in here. Then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select this, then I have to press and hold the Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Then I have to go to the layer panel, then I have to double click on here. Then I have to select the blue color, then I have to click on the OK. After that, I have to select the shape tool again, then I have to right click on here, then I have to select the round shape from here. Then I have to press and hold the shape key, then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to select this, then I have to drag and drop this in here. Then I have to click on here, then I have to click on here, then I have to select the blue color, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select this layer again, then I have to press and hold the Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Then I have to press and hold the Shift key again, then I have to decrease the size of this layer. Then I have to click on the tick mark, then I have to click on here, then I have to select the black color, then I have to select the move tool. Now I have to select this layer. Then I have to right click on this layer, then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the gradient overlay. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on the blue. Then I have to select this color. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then I have to right click on this layer, then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the gradient overlay. Then I have to click on here, then I have to drag and drop this in here, then I have to drag and drop this in here. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then I have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then I have to click on here, then I have to click on the blue, then I have to select this color, then we have to select this, then I have to drag and drop this in here, then I have to click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then drag and drop this in here, then I have to drag and drop this in here, then I have to drag and drop this in here, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the drop shadow, then you have to increase the opacity, then you have to increase the size, then I have to increase the distance, decrease the distance, then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the stroke, then you have to increase the size of stroke, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this color, then you have to click on the OK, then you have to increase the size of the stroke, then you have to click on the OK, then you have to select this, then you have to decrease the size again. After that you have to select this, then you have to right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then drag and drop this in here. Now we have to design the other things of this business card. So look at the scene attentively. After open all icons, you have to set these icons in your business card. After that, you have to select the text tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to write your name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the boom tool, then drag and drop this in here. Then select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your number in here. Then click on the tick mark again, then select this, then decrease the size of this. After that, you have to select this layer, then you have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Then you have to double click on here, then write your email in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select this, then double click on here, then write your website name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark again, then select this and double click on here, then write your location in here. After that, you have to select this, then you have to drag these icons in here. Then you have to select all layers, then you have to drag these layers in here. Now we have to open our logo, so I am opening my logo from my PC. After open our logo, we have to drag our logo in our business card. After that, we have to decrease the size of our logo. Then we have to set our logo in here. Then we have to select this, then we have to increase the size of this, then you have to drag this in here, then you have to click on the tick mark, then you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your company name in here. Then you have to drag and drop this in here, then you have to double click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this font style, then you have to click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag and drop these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. Right, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.